Welcome, here I've got Nokia C20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place now we have location tag option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And now let's move to the right corner. When we tap here, we get access to some info, and here we have more details with the location option at the last position. So when we tap on it, we get directly to the Google Maps and we can check our location with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.